there is a completely free AI tool that can write your assignment, summarize your notes, generate a full PDF, and even become your personal exam tutor, all in minutes. Today, I am going to show you live exactly how to do all of this using Claude AI. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will never study the same way again. Hey everyone, welcome back to PadhoByte Tech Seekho Smart Bano. I am your host, and today we are doing a full live demo of Claude AI for students. No theory, no boring explanations, just real examples you can follow right now on your own screen. So open Claude.ai right now and follow along with me. Let us go. Before we jump into the demos, super quick intro. Claude is made by a company called Anthropic. Think of it as the smartest study partner you have ever had. Claude has a massive memory, meaning it can hold an entire textbook in memory at once without losing track. In simple words, you can upload your entire textbook and Claude remembers every single page. No other free AI tool does this. Just go to Claude AI, sign up free with Google, and you are ready. Let me show you exactly what it can do. Okay, demo number 1, writing an assignment and downloading it as demo number 1, writing an assignment and downloading it as a document. Watch exactly what I typed. I am a college student studying computer science. Write me a 500-word assignment on artificial intelligence in healthcare. Include introduction, 3 main points with real examples, and a conclusion. Use simple academic language. Format it properly with headings. Look at this. A perfectly structured, well-written 500-word assignment in literally 10 seconds. Introduction, 3 main points, real examples, conclusion, everything. The cool part, how to save this as a proper document. Type this, convert this into a properly formatted document I can download. Claude opens a side preview window where you can see the formatted result. Now just copy everything, open Google Docs, paste it, file, download PDF. You have a professional assignment PDF ready in under demo number 2, turning boring notes into flashcards. Watch this. I am going to paste a long chapter from my notes and type, summarize these notes into 10 key points for exam revision, then convert them into 10 question and answer flashcards. Make each point short and easy to remember. Boom! 10 clean flashcard style questions and answers, ready to study from. What took me 2 hours of reading, Claude did in 15 seconds. Pro tip: ask Claude which 3 of these topics are most likely to paper PDF directly into Claude. Now I type, read this entire PDF and give me the 5 most important points I need for my assignment. Then suggest 3 ways I can use this research in my own work. Claude read 50 pages in seconds and gave me exactly what I need. No more reading entire research papers from start to finish. You can even ask, what are the weaknesses of this research? And Claude gives you critical analysis like a professor. Perfect for research assignments. Number 4. Making your writing sound professional. I am going to paste a badly written paragraph and watch what Claude does. I type, improve this paragraph to sound more academic and professional. Fix all grammar mistakes. Explain what you changed and why. Look at the difference. Same ideas, but now it sounds like a topper wrote it. And the best part, Claude actually explains every change it made, so you learn from it and become a better writer over time. Use this before submitting every single assignment. Your professors will notice the difference immediately. Number 5. And this is my absolute favorite. Watch this prompt. I have an exam on machine learning tomorrow. Act as my professor and ask me 10 likely exam questions one by one. After each answer I give, tell me if I am right, what I missed, and give me the correct answer. Then give me a final score out of 10. Claude becomes your personal exam simulator. It asks questions, checks your answers, tells you exactly what to study more. This single technique can improve your exam score dramatically, and it is completely free. Quick bonus tip: tell Claude at the very start of your conversation, I am a second-year computer science student. Remember this for all our conversations. Now, every time you open Claude, it already knows who you are and what you are studying. Like students. Demo 1. Write assignment, Demo 2 Flashcards, Demo 3 PDF analysis, Demo 4 fix writing, Demo 5 exam simulator, plus the bonus Claude remembers you, all free at Claude.ai. Go try it right now. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really helps PadhoByte grow. Subscribe for weekly free AI tips. Tech Seekho Smart Bano. See you in the next one.